Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to HH Reviews. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit different. Mission to the Moon, the Omega Speedmaster Swatch, which is a collaboration with Omega and Swatch, really designed to make a high-end Speedmaster watch made by Omega more accessible to people starting out their watch collection or younger people, younger consumers. So my impressions of this watch, I am not a watch expert at all. I don't claim to be. This is kind of one of my first, this is my first Swatch that I've ever purchased, and ironically my first Omega. And I didn't really know what to expect. I didn't know much about the Swatch brand. I was able to get this at a good price and thought I would take the plunge. So this is what I think. Overall, the aesthetic of it, it's very similar, same face size, and some of the same complications as the Speedmaster. But you'll notice it's maybe you can tell on camera, it's kind of like a composite plastic material, including the face, which is some type of quartz plastic material. The case is a very light case, and the band is a Velcro band. As you can see, I'll go ahead and kind of put it through so everybody can see the band on the watch. Notice you've got the Speedmaster logo on the back, Omega, and then if you look in, you'll see the Swatch as well on the face. So with a watch like this, I think that, as other reviewers noted, if you're a fan of Omega and you thought you were getting an Omega watch, you will be duly disappointed because it's plasticky, it's light, and really it's not the same quality or build, not even close to an Omega Speedmaster. But these are fun watches, and these are watches meant to be worn even though they may not be the most durable, because you're not wearing a $7,000 watch. You're wearing a watch that I believe retails in the range of $270, and it's designed just for that. You can have a real Omega and a real Swatch. Well, obviously it's a real Swatch, but a real Omega for under $500, where if you scratch it or break it or something happens, it's not the end of the world. I really think that's what this is for. The watch is super nifty. I mean, the case to the watch is super nifty. I like how it's educational. So each watch in this series, and there's a watch for the sun all the way through, there's a Neptune watch, and every planet, as you can see, has a box with a theme itself. This one talks about the moon, as this is the moon watch. And the theme of this is different facts on the moon. So the moon is, the temperature can get to negative 23 degrees Celsius. I think that'd be the dark side of the moon. Takes 6 days to reach the moon from Earth. We'll be traveling back there soon, interestingly. Has low gravity and no atmosphere. Okay, so some fun facts about the moon. I actually really like the box. I think it's cool. The watch itself, let's talk a bit more. If I click the right complication here, you'll notice that I'll show you here. It's kind of hard to see, but if I hit the start function, the hand goes around, but it stops short. If you notice, it stops short of 12. That's a little frustrating, and that kind of details the quality. So again, the second hand, if I hit it and I want to reset, when I hit reset, it'll go around and then stop short of 12. I guess that's what you get with a watch like this, and that, for me, that just frustrates me quite a bit. Maybe more than it should, but it's really annoying that it doesn't reset correctly. But otherwise, I mean, I like the look of it, and on the back, it's kind of cool because you've got a picture of the moon and all these quotes, which are kind of cool. So if you're ever down and it's a Monday morning, just take your watch off, because on the back it is written, dream big, fly higher, explore the universe, reach for the planets, and enjoy the mission. So inspirational stuff on this watch, which is kind of neat. Overall, I don't know if I would buy another watch in this series. I may just save up for a real Speedmaster. I'm just not really a fan of the quality on this, but I do like the look, and it is a real Omega watch. And overall, I mean, I can't complain about that. Something else to keep in mind is there's a lot of fakes out there right now, which kind of scares the hell out of me. The fakes look a lot like this, almost identical, so really be careful. I would say only buy it from a Swatch store if you can, but it's just really, unfortunately, this is the world we live in, where something popular comes out and then you get replicas and fakes that can just destroy the market. And a watch like this is probably really easy to fake. So watch out, be careful when buying this. That's my recommendation. Other than that, enjoy it. Who cares if it scratches? It's, again, under $500. It's not meant to be durable. And that's really it. I wouldn't buy another one. I'm glad I have this one. But that's kind of my thoughts on it. Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Again, I don't claim to be a watch expert. This is just my opinion on the watch. I think it's good. And all right, thanks again for tuning in. Have a great day.